Guys, August 19, 2022, this one here I had a call from a lady. Her air conditioning unit's not working outside. She said that the fan's not spinning outside and the thing was really hot, so she shut it off. Might be, maybe the condenser fan's dead on it or something. I'm gonna go by and we're gonna go see and figure out what's going on for the lady. She hasn't had AC for a couple of days. She just called me not that long ago, so. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get over there. Miss Molly, Miss Molly.
Want my call it?
You said a couple of days. You said you didn't have.
No, this was last night.
Oh, last night.
Last night. I came home from the grocery store and I'm like, yeah, it's a little warm. So my husband, even though husbands can be, was in total denial. Oh, it feels cold coming out of the vent. I said, no, it doesn't.
He was in denial?
Yeah, he always is. Yeah, I never know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So he goes, it feels cold coming out of the vent. I said, no, it doesn't. So he finally came out here and he goes, oh yeah, it's not turning.
Total denial, huh?
Very denial.
Alright, let's see if we can figure out what's... Oh yeah, the capacitor's all puffy. That's probably what our problem is.
Puffy.
Yeah, see the top, how it's all puffy?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See it? How it's all puffy?
Yeah.
It's no good.
Oh, okay.
That's probably what... We're going to change that first thing.
Okay.
That's guaranteed what your problem is.
Okay.
So, you might have got lucky.
Oh, good. What causes it to get puffy?
I mean, just getting hot, you know?
Okay.
Especially the hot weather.
Yeah.
Guarantee it's no good. Well, we'll see what size it is, if we can see. It is... Looks like an 80. A 60-5. I think that's what it says. Is that a 60 or an 80? I don't know. We'll have to look at it.
If I'm not wearing my glasses to read something, I can't see it anymore.
Yeah, that's how I am too, you know. Getting old and crusty here.
Me too.
That's a 60. 60-5. Let's see if I got one in the truck.
Oh, God, that...
Alright, so let's see if we get a 60-5, which I should have one. I'm pretty sure I do. Kind of a queer size. That's an 80. So I need a 60-5. So if I take two 30s together, I can get the 60. So I got a 30 and a 30-5. So I got to twin them together, and I should get the 60-5. Can do that. Alright, so let's see what we can do here with this thing. I'm gonna mount these two in here. I'll do something with some strap hanger. I'm gonna mount two of them in here. Strap hanger.
Exactly. Is it a battery or is it just...
No, it's a capacitor.
Capacitor.
What it does is voltage goes in and out of that thing because it's single phase.
Okay.
If it was three phase, the three phases go in and out of each other. With single phase, the electricity's only doesn't have a place to go.
Okay.
For it to work properly. So that's what the capacitor does. It allows a place for the electricity to go in and out for it to run properly.
Oh, okay.
It does hold the charge, and it does, you know, help it to run, but theoretically, that's the technical thing, how it works. Okay. If you really want to get technical about it.
Capacitor was like Back to the Future, the flux capacitor on the car.
Well, that's what it does. It does it does hold the charge and.
Good. I like learning stuff. Good. Remember that car?
Yeah. It's gonna fit in there.
Yay.
Barely, but it will fit.
Oh, good.
As long as it fits and the cover goes on there, I guess it'll be okay, right?
I hope so.
Yeah, me too. You need your AC, right? Like I said, I don't have the proper size, so we'll have to make it work.
Well, this house is going to be 100 years old next year, so I think make it work is its motto now.
Make it work is the motto.
Yeah, of this house. They're putting tile upstairs for us in the bathroom, and there isn't one wall or floor that's straight.
Alright, so we got the fan is the brown. The fan is the brown. Goes to here. That's the fan. And the capacitor. Common. It's going to be one side of this. Common.
I notice are you filming?
I am.
Because people give you a hard time?
Sometimes.
That's sad.
Better to be safe than sorry.
Oh, I agree with you 100%. I'd be doing the same damn thing.
Just to be safe. Better to be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Oh!
Teddy! Get down from there. Come on. Teddy.
Sticker wire. Sticker.
I bet you were busy during that heat wave, huh?
I'm always busy.
Yeah.
I'm as busy as I want to be. How's that sound?
There you go. I like that sound.
Yeah.
That's good.
I don't like to be too busy because that means stress.
Well, it means you don't have a life either, so.
Yeah. Got too busy. I mean, what's the sense?
Yeah. Because you can't enjoy anything of the money you're making. Because you're too busy.
Too busy. Yeah.
In your opinion, what's the best air conditioning unit? Central Air.
Yeah.
Train?
No, I wouldn't say they're the best. People try to say that if they're selling them.
Yeah.
All right, the Common is here. It's jumping over. They're all right. I mean, problem with them is if you need parts, they're gonna really hit you hard.
Oh.
That's the Common. Goes on this side. So that's the Common. Then the compressor is the yellow. Around here, I would probably go with a Rudd unit.
Okay,
Yeah,
I've heard of
they're
those.
decent. That's usually what I install.
Okay.
Alright, and then the compressor is the Herm. What's this? This one here will be the Herm. And then this one here is the other Common. There's the other Common. Which goes here.
You live in Dartmouth?
Yeah.
I like Dartmouth.
You do?
Yeah, I'm good. When we first moved out here, we almost bought a house in Dartmouth, but somebody beat us to it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, on Elm Street.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's a nice area.
Yeah. And then 3 months after we bought this one, the people called us up and said, we want to sell to you. The people that had bought it were like, sorry.
Oh, really?
Yeah, too late.
And then I gotta put a jumper across for them other two to work.
To connect them.
Just do this little diagram setup here we got. See?
Mm-hmm.
Flipping hot today, huh?
Well, it wasn't supposed to be, but you know, I looked, the dew point's going up, so that's what makes it feel hot.
Something's hot.
Yeah, because we're on the north side of the house. It should be a little cooler here right now. It's the humidity that bothers me. It's like, ugh. I feel like somebody's got a wet blanket over my head. I can't breathe.
Alright, so that wants to go there. Wants to go to the compressor. So the compressor, and then the common. So that should give us what we need right there.
Okay.
We'll see if it works. You see how it's puffy?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
The stuff inside just expands and pushes it up.
Yeah, especially when it gets hot out.
Yeah.
Man, it's just, watch out.
Music to my ears, Steve.
That's good.
Music to my ears.
Good news, right?
Yes. You got to be part electrician to do this too, don't you?
Well, you gotta kind of have a little clue.
Yep. Right.
You gotta kind of have a little bit of a clue what the hell's going on, you know?
Yeah.
Why not? Gotta have half a brain.
Well, I think you have to have more than half a brain.
At least half a brain.
Yeah. And I like your truck.
As long as this cover goes back on, which it should, we can fire it up. It's been cooling okay other than that?
Yeah, it was fine, working perfectly.
Yeah, you know, it just gets hot out.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden, that was it.
Give it the old, I'm gonna give it a little how you doing.
Yeah.
Good. Got a little trick there with that double capacitor. Don't do that too often, but I don't do it too often, but when I do it, it works.
Good. I'm glad you know that trick.
All right, go turn it on. We should be good, ready to go. Did that right there because I didn't have 230s, I didn't have a 60.